For our elephant, I've inflated a 160, and I've left about a 5-inch tail. You can do this with a 260, but you have to work a little harder and you have to sacrifice some of the size. So with the 160, and this will show you the benefits of 160s, how you can get a lot more twisting out of them. So we're going to start by making about a 5-inch bubble for his trunk. Then we're going to make about a 4 or so inch fold twist for the first ear. Spin that around. We're going to make a little small bubble, about a 1/2 inch bubble. Then another fold twist for the other ear, and you want to get them about the same size. Now we've got our first bubble, 2 fold twists separated by a small bubble. What you want to do is spin this whole thing around, sort of making that a pinch twist in the middle. So just grab it, make sure you grab both ears and the small bubble and spin them around once or twice. And that sort of locks it in so you get his head in between his ears. You can kind of shape his ears a little bit if you like to make them cuter. And you're going to make a little small, maybe 3/4 inch bubble for his neck. Make a little small bubble for his front leg, about a 3/4 inch bubble again, and another front leg about the same size. Spin those together. Now we're going to take and make a little small 1/2 inch bubble and make that into a pinch twist. This will make shoulders to help hold that in place so it doesn't come undone on you. Make it a little body, about 1.5 inch bubble. Repeat for the back legs, a small bubble. And these need to be the same size as your front legs. Spin those together. Then another small 1/2 inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist as well. Give them back hips. That'll help them stay together a little bit. Spin it all around to lock it in place. You can hang on to it. Now you've got some extra tail there. If you'll take this, hold most of it, and then squeeze the bubble. Force some air out to the very end. You'll get a cute little bubble on the end of his tail. Then you come up to his trunk, curl it up, squeeze it so it'll curl just a little bit, and there's a cute little miniature elephant.